Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the NESCO where the corporate gifting expo is happening. Exactly in the NESCO we have this Word One brand which called the Eyeballs. This is a business stationery and it says Word One ka wada, tension come profit jada. And we have with us the MD of Word One, Mr. Arun Arora. So Arun Arora sir, will you please tell us about the green stationery, because there is lots of stationery available and people say when you are using stationery or the paper, it's cutting down the trees. So we are harming the environment somewhere. So what you will say about your green stationery? Arun Arora sir from Word One.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
So good question, Rahul. So actually, if you see, because we are into stationery industry, so I'm talking on in terms of stationery. Rather, it applies to every industry.
Right.
See, it's a mindset. It's not something like which is a fancy word going buzz around like green, eco-friendly. It need to be cultivated in our mind that we need to contribute in some or other way. How to make our day-to-day things which we are using more sustainable, more like recyclable, and you're making less harm to the mother earth.
Right.
So in that endeavor, what I saw is that we can do it in 2-3 ways. Number one, the products, the raw materials which we use, if we use it consciously, those are either recyclable, fully recyclable, right?
Yeah.
Or there are products which are made of recycled material, like the paper products made of recycled paper, right? And the third one is the PCR, that is post consumer used material, right? PCR, post consumer recycled, which we have introduced first time in India. It is about like the plastic used everywhere is usually thrown somewhere. It is like thrown
Litter.
on the in the nature bar,
Right.
and what this initiative is doing, they are gathering this plastic. We have agencies which are coordinating with the pickers, those who are picking the plastics from the where there it is like littering or somewhere, and they collect it, and then they segregate it into the different types, because plastic also is like ABS, PP, polystyrene, different types
Yeah,
of plastics
different
are
kinds
there.
of plastic.
They segregate it and they make it reusable. And so how it making from the differentiated from the normal recycled plastics, because this is post consumer plastic. So otherwise, if not collected, it would have been dumped into mother earth. So we collected that, and this is one initiative, PCR.
This is made of that green
Yeah,
stationery.
so, yeah, yeah,
Okay, so we'll
these
show that also.
these-
This is green stationery.
Yeah, so these are
What Arun Arora sir is explaining about
so
green
these
stationery.
these are jute and this fabric and paper. This so
Yes.
paper is a recycled paper.
Yes.
And the fabric is of course a fabric which is like jute fabric. It's made out of plant.
Yes.
But what I am talking of PCR
Yes.
is another plastic which is like collected from the nature, and then we made it as good as the new one.
Okay.
Yeah,
That is
so
that.
we are using it in our products. So it is not deterring any quality of the user's product or something.
Yes.
So it is being used as a new plastic one.
Right.
Yeah, although it becomes collecting and all that made it more expensive to us, but still we are putting it in our products
Right.
to make it more to this cultivate this this is an initiative to for recycle using that material
Right.
into recycling.
Yes.
Yeah, not just saying that it is recyclable, we are actually recycling it.
Yes.
And the third one is about the green manufacturing, I'll say.
Right.
So, see, product we see, but if you are really, if you are from heart, you are really considerate about the green, then it also had to start with the green initiative from the factory point. So
Exactly.
in our factory, we have rainwater harvesting. We are using all electricity, major electricities from the solar, right? And there are design, architecture of our factory is such that it doesn't require light, this electricity for the lighting till the sun has really gone down.
Oh.
So for I think 7 to 8 hours there is no need of, there's enough natural light, enough
Natural
cooling.
light, sunlight,
Yeah,
yes.
so roofs are such a height that there is natural cooling. So that's why. So this is about the green manufacturing.
Right.
So it's like and three pillars, First, it's choosing the material which are recyclable,
Right.
making it in such a way that it is again you are using less resources and more of recycle or like so this solar power and using rainwater harvesting tanks so that that water can be used in our manufacturing later on.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah. So it is about like the product and the manufacturing and then making it recycled one again reusing into our product, giving the same better quality, same thing. So it is
it
like
comes
the
full
ecosystem.
circle for the great
Yes,
for
yes,
the
yes,
earth.
yes.
Thank you so much, Arun Arora sir, and we are getting this to our audience. Thanks.